Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to my tutorial today. Today I will be doing a basic beauty look, nothing too complicated, but the basics that you would see anywhere on YouTube. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get into it. Before you even think about putting any makeup on your face, you will need to wash and moisturize your face, put on a primer to prep the skin for makeup, blur out visible pores, and keep the makeup on all day. Prior to foundation, you should color correct and/or conceal your dark spots, blemishes, and trouble areas. I'm applying Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in number 128. To set the foundation, I'm packing on Laura Mercier setting powder on the high points of my face and the areas that crease and smudge the most. Using the e.l.f. contour palette, I'm using the darkest shade to add dimension to my cheeks and forehead. Now my favorite, the brows. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown, I'm going to map out the shape of the brows and fill it in as I go, leaving the front clear of product. Then using the spoolie on the end of my brush, I'm going to blend the product together. That way it makes an ombre effect to soften the look. Next, I am priming my eyes with the Urban Decay Shadow Insurance Primer. Using the Smashbox Photo Matte Palette and the Urban Decay Naked Palette, I'm using combinations of medium browns for the crease, darker browns for the outer corners, and shimmery light browns for the lid and inner corner. Next, it is liner time. A heavy dose of mascara to both my top and bottom lashes to help open my eye and give me a really dramatic look that I'm going for. So that was my tutorial on how to do your everyday beauty look. Now I know this is maybe a little more complicated for some people and not your best morning routine if you're in a rush, but if you're going somewhere out nice, and you just feel like glamming it up, this is perfect for you. So thank you for joining and have a good day.